Yeah, very good evening. Welcome to Bold Talk. Today we have a very special guest with us, Sravan Madiraju. He is a man known for wedding planning in India and is the most awarded wedding planners and is a CEO and co-founder of Akarshna Events and Entertainment. So I have a privilege to introduce this young entrepreneur in India and who have done events across the globe. So it is very important because event management or event planning or wedding industry is huge in India. And according to KPMG survey of 2017, it is 40 to $50 billion industry in India. And this industry gives livelihood to many people, from photographers to, from flower decoration, from catering, and many people are living on this industry. అండ్ దాంట్లో మార్కెట్ లీడర్గా ఉండి అలాగే తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్గా ఉన్నటువంటి శ్రవణ్ గారు ఈవేళ షేర్ లాడ్ ఆఫ్ ఐడియాస్ అండ్ ఇన్సైట్స్ విత్ us, and this is applicable to many people, and not only for the event management or wedding planning industry. Everyone who are in this business will be benefited with his dynamic ideas. So I welcome you to this bold talk. So let us have some introduction of Mr. Sravan Garu. So, live talk with Sravan Madiraj Garu, co-founder and creative director for Akarshna Events and Entertainment, an award-winning wedding planners. Today, the topic is the business of celebration. అండ్ ఒక 2 decades ముందు మనం విని ఉండం మనం ఒక వెడ్డింగ్ ప్లానింగ్. సో ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఇలా జరుగుతుంది ఇండియాలో అని. బట్ యాజ్ అండ్ మన యొక్క జీవన శైలి, మన యొక్క పర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్కమ్ ఎప్పుడైతే పెరిగిందో, ప్రొఫెషనలిజం హ్యాస్ ఎంటర్డ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ celebration. And Sravan Madiraj Garu is an international award winning wedding planner and is a president TEMA. TEMA means Telangana Event Managers Association. And website అవసరం లేదు. You find him in every social media platform. He is very popular and most sought after. And his achievements are extraordinary. And 2017 Best Wedding Planner awarded by TCEI. 2018 Best Destination Wedding Planner International in Sri Lanka, Colombo. And 2019 Best Wedding Planner. 2019 Best Destination Wedding Planner International. 2019 Best Hospitality Service Provider. Won 4 awards at TIA Awards Night 2019, Telangana Artists Association. Best Wedding Planner, Best Theme Decor, Best Destination Wedding Planner, Event of the Year. So he deserves really all these awards. And I know him for the last 1 decade, and he always wants to be a hero in Tollywood. ఐ థింక్ ఆయన సినిమాలో హీరో అవ్వలేదు, కానీ రియల్ లైఫ్లో మాత్రం హీరోగా ఎదిగారు. సో వాళ్ళిద్దరు బ్రదర్స్ ఫ్రెండ్సా వీళ్ళ బ్రదర్సా అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, అంత సింక్ అయి ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు. సో వాళ్ళ ఒకరి ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్లో ఉంటే ఒకరి క్రియేషన్లో, ఈచ్ వన్ వాళ్ళ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ని బట్టి ఆపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో we can see him how much he is passionate, how much he is enjoying his profession. సో ఆయన పిక్చర్ చూస్తే మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. So the rise of the wedding industry, the recession-proof big fast Indian wedding just got more corporatized on CNBC News ఒకటి చూశాను నేను. అలాగే the big Indian wedding market, often considered recession-proof, is estimated to be around $40 to $50 billion in size, according to a KPMG report last year. It continues to grow rapidly at a rate of 25 to 30% annually. The estimated cost of a luxury wedding could be between rupees 2 crore to rupees 25 crore annually. This is the prediction of a few years ago. So I welcome you to this bold talk, and our slogan is be bold, stay bold, and play bold. And we thank Sravan Madiraj Garu for coming to the bold talk, and go bold, go live. And we thank, and it's over to Sri Sravan Madiraj Garu. Welcome Sri Sravan Garu into this program.
Hi, Venugaru. Good evening, and good evening to all the viewers. It's really been pleasure for me to be part of Bold Talk, and that too with Venu Bhagavan Garu. You know, I know him since 10 years plus, so he has seen us personally, our journey, how how it was right from when we used to drive a small scooter to Ramnagaru office, sit at their office and do a lot of future talks, how we want to grow and all. And today he has seen us. What are we doing in our industry? Thank you so much for inviting me for the show, Venu Garu.
మోస్ట్ వెల్కమ్ శ్రవణ్ గారు. సో ఐ థింక్ శ్రవణ్ గారు అన్న కొంచెం ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంది బికాజ్ యు ఆర్
Please,
లైక్
you can call me Shravan.
బికాజ్ మీ బ్రదర్స్ ఇందరు వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు us, your family and your father very close to us, and you are like an younger brother to me, and I am so happy seeing you that shine day by day. రేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ తెలియదు కానీ రేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద శ్రవణ్ అయితే నేను చూశాను. నేను అది ఎక్కడ చిన్న వీడియో బర్త్డే పార్టీ నుంచి మొదలు పెట్టి దేనికైనా అంతే అటెన్షన్ పే చేస్తారు మీరు. చిన్న ఈవెంటా పెద్ద ఈవెంటా అని లేకుండా ఎవ్రీ డీటెయిల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ కేర్. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ మీ కస్టమర్ మీరు ఇంకా చేయలేకపోయి ఉండాలి తప్ప, మీరు చాయిస్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ చాయిస్ తీసుకుండాలి తప్ప, వన్స్ దే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యువర్ సర్వీస్ ఐ థింక్ దే కెనాట్ సాటిస్ఫై ఎనీవేర్ ఎల్స్. So that kind of creation and uniqueness every time you have done. So really we want to listen from you. How did you get into this business and what is your strength? And intakalam meer dintlo inta raise avvadaniki what are the secrets? Can you share with us?
Yeah, this particular event, I wanted to be, as I told you, I wanted to be an actor. And since my childhood, I was like a really very active guy, whether it is, cultural activities. I used to be part of all my college fashion shows and all. I was cultural head for my college. I did my PG from Wesley. And Kiran, I think you know my brother, we both are partners. Kiran has done his PG in event management from NIEM, National Institute of Event Management. So he used to work for a company, for a XYZ company for 3,500 rupees salary. So Anna work chestu nappudu I felt it is a for us it was a need of an hour for us to make money, as being both the sons in the house. We have a sister as a responsibility. And I was trying the movies and felt like, no, this is right time for me to set up a career, which is very important for me. So we started very early when I was 21. So one day me and my brother decided that yes, we will start the company on by ourselves. So my brother was like, what are you talking? I said, see, when you're working for somebody else and all, rather than we can work for ourselves, then we can put all our energy 24/7. So I said, I'm also pretty much interested in doing this. Let's do it together. So Marco, when we started, we are a first generation businessman in our family. My parents are 11-12 years back. Nobody knows about that great in ipudunnanta craze event management ki gaane people. A lot of people doesn't know it. So a lot of our relatives used to ask, "Hey, meeru catering bettara? Are you from a catering?" So they don't know about it. But if you see today, event management globally is $1,100 billion industry. It's a big industry. If you see India, as you told, it's a $200 billion business only in India. Okay, whether if you take as weddings, MICE, or you take corporate events, anything, it's a big industry. There are a lot of manpower, everything is involved in this. So I think when we started, we do not know where to start. So Neenu Manaya, I'll take some time to how we started. We used to sit in People's Plaza. If you remember, apatlo People's Plaza lo chaala events jarugutunde, pedda events. So we do not know vendors, evaru em chestaru enti ani. Neenu ma annaya ఈవెంట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వీ యూస్ టు సిట్ దేర్, ఈ సామాన్లు పెట్టేసి తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పుడు వీ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్ దెమ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ కంపెనీ నేమ్, హూ ఇస్ ద ఓనర్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ గివ్ అస్ ద నంబర్. అండ్ నేను మా అన్నయ్య ఫేక్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్తో వీ యూస్ టు గో టు దట్ వెండర్, బికాస్ అంటిల్ అండ్ అన్లెస్ వీ గో గివ్ దెమ్ అ రిక్వైర్మెంట్, దే డోంట్ గివ్ అస్ అ కోట్, అండ్ వీ డు నాట్ నో హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్ అ కొటేషన్ టు గివ్ ఇట్ టు అ క్లయింట్. సో దట్స్ హౌ slowly we started. We have done smaller birthday parties, చిన్న birthday parties to gain experience and all. And every business will have a break. So okasari we have really got one big break in our life, and that turned our entire lives. If you remember Kurnool floods in 2009. So 2009 lo there was one big pharma company, son's wedding is happening. A day prior Kurnool lo floods vachesi, the decorator is coming from Bangalore, lorries akkada agipoyinayi, వాళ్ళ డెకార్ is not coming here. Then the lot of through known circle and all, they called up for a meeting. all the vendors and all. So I have also a small vendor there. Those days we used to go by a scooter, me and Kiran. And ఆ రోజు they met us today morning around 11 o'clock, and we've been appointed for that engagement to do it in HICC. Next day సాయంత్రం 6 o'clock kala we did the setup.
Wow.
So that was a big break for us. I know that was a very bad thing which happened to the Kurnool floods and all, but that was a real turning point. And మాకు ఆ సెంటిమెంట్కి we also donated for Kurnool floods. ఆ ఈవెంట్ చేసిన తర్వాత we donated 5 lakh rupees from our side. Though 5 lakh is very big for us at that part of the time. So we have donated it because so a lot of people have faced so much of trouble, but I've got an opportunity out of it. Wow. So I want to show something to do social responsibility. We funded 5 lakh rupees for Kurnool flood relief, this thing. And akkadi nunchi we never looked back. It's a way, this industry is very tough. I mean, it's not like chala mandi, if you see today ads and all, they say it's a cash rich industry. They say it's a cash rich industry. It's a colorful industry. How colorful it looks, దానికంటే 10 times tough ఉంటుంది. It's not easy, executing an event. Like how a film director is the captain of the ship for the entire craft, event manager is the captain of the ship for the entire departments. What do you have? We have n number of departments. You need to have so much of knowledge to execute an event. So when we do a wedding, so we have done, I think you might be knowing it, we have done our finance minister's daughter wedding. We did MP Kambavati Ramohara daughter's wedding, and we have done, we have done n number of weddings. We managed weddings from 5,000 people to 50,000 people. Managing a 50,000 people wedding, right from the venue, designing the entire thing, how the crowd movement goes on, how's the parking, how's the security, and you have a lot of safety norms. So these are expertise. So you have tremendous stress. It's not easy. You need to manage a people. Oka chinna labor athan daggara nunchi, when you are doing a wedding for 10,000 people, you know what kind of a client you have. So you need to manage all levels of people, right from the labor to the rich of the bigger client. So you need to manage it. So you need to have a unique skills to get into this business.
Wonderful, Kiran garu. This is a news that Kiran is actually from management, event management.
It's a professional course.
Professionalism. So always I wonder whether event management is an art or science, or it's both.
It's both, and more of, see, I mean, creative oka department aithe, back end taking care of logistics, okay, is all that. Maku luckily endante I am good at a creative, I am the front end of the company, but my brother is like the pillar foundation for our so the execution level vachinappudu he gets into minute detailing. So when you do, it's an example for people who doesn't know, I want to tell, when you do a government event, we also do a lot of government events. When we started, we also did events where Rashekar Reddy garu has attended those events. We did a food and agro business school. So మనము ఈ గవర్నమెంట్కి ఈవెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు యూల్ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ నామ్స్ లైక్ 40D 80D అని స్టేజ్కి ముందు ఒక 40 feet డీ లాగా వేసి ఆ డీలో 40 feetలో నోబడీ విల్ ఎంటర్ టు ఇట్. సో ముందు రోజు స్టేజ్ మీద ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉండబోతున్నారో, సే సపోజ్ 16 people are on the stage, మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ పీపుల్ ఎక్కి ర్యాండమ్గా జంప్ చేసి లోకల్ ఈఓ విల్ సర్టిఫై దట్ స్టేజ్, దట్ దిస్ స్టేజ్ ఇస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ 16 people. So you'll certify it. So this kind of detailing will get into it. So you need to have a lot of experience, working experience. It's not like manaku oka sound vaadu inkodi evodo telise pettedam ga. It's very very important. You will have a lot of minute detailings in this industry. Just that bite nunchi chusesi chaala mandi there is a craze. Cinema industry lo సినిమాలో వెళ్ళి ఎట్లా అయితే చేయాలన్న క్రేజ్ ఉందో, this generation now you see degree అయిపోయి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ MBA ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, they have craze for photography, videography. They have craze for getting into wedding planning. Wedding planning lo event management e gaaka styling okati, sound engineering okati. These are like intamundi ivanni levandi. These are not considered as a professions. Idoraku tent house, idoraku మీరు మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నప్పుడు టెంట్ హౌస్ వాడు అంటే ఏంటంటే ఏమీ చదువు రాకుండా వాడికి చదువు లేకుండా ఉంటే వాడు ఏదో ఉండలేక 4 కుర్చీలు పెట్టి టెంట్ హౌస్ అనుకుంటున్నారు కదా. దీస్ డేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఇన్ అవర్ సౌత్ ఇండియా యూ హ్యావ్ అమేజింగ్ బిగ్ sound supplying company owners, you know, their sons have done MBAs, you know, in the UK. Okay, UK లో లండన్లో చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ దే ఆర్ మేనేజింగ్ ద టెంట్ హౌస్ సప్లైయింగ్ కంపెనీ. ఇట్స్ అ హ్యూజ్ బిజినెస్. ఓకే, బీయింగ్ క్రియేటివ్, యూనో, కొత్త ఫర్నిచర్ తేవడము, యూనో. అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఒక పలానా ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ డిగ్గింగ్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్ అండ్ యూనో యూ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ఎవ్రీ మైన్యూట్ డీటెయిల్ అండ్ ఆల్, any industry will have a lot of scope is what I believe. Every time we always used to believe that మనము అంటే మనం కటింగ్ చేసేవాడు అయితే we have to be somebody in such a big where all the stars should come to do their haircut. You have to reach that level. That was our dream. So me and my brother fixed that we are going to be in the event industry come what may. We going to do every minute detailing. So minute detailing is our the mantra for success andi. And we always consider every day today మాకు ఈవెంట్ వస్తే ఈ పాత బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నేను ఇంత పెద్ద ఈవెంట్ వాడిని నేనంతా అదంతా ఉంటే ఇఫ్ యూ డూ అ మిస్టేక్ ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఈవెంట్ యువర్ ఎంటైర్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఇస్ గాన్. సో ఎవ్రీ డే ఈస్ అ ఫ్రెష్ స్టార్ట్ ఫర్ అస్. ఒళ్ళు జాగ్రత్త పెట్టుకొని యూ హ్యావ్ టు యునో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ద ఈవెంట్. దట్స్ వాట్ వీ ఆల్వేస్ బిలీవ్ ఇన్.
వండర్ఫుల్ అండి శ్రవణ్ గారు. దట్ మైన్యూట్ డీటెయిల్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ అంటారు. సో ఐ థింక్ సో ఈ ఎంట్రీ బ్యారియర్ ఈజీ కాబట్టి అందరూ రావాలని కోరుకుంటారు. ఫోటోగ్రఫీ ఆర్ ఇవన్నీ ఎంట్రీ బ్యారియర్, దీనికి ఏం క్వాలిఫికేషన్ అక్కర్లేదు కదండి. టు బికమ్ ఏ పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ ఆర్ జడ్జి అన్నిటికి కావాలి, దీనికి ఏం అక్కర్లేదు కదా. సో ఈజ్ ప్యాషన్ అలోన్ ఈజ్ ఎనఫ్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ దెర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్? సపోజ్ బికాస్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ two brothers and he has done a professional course in event management and there's a process. Correct. Because you have to deal with customers, you have to deal with your vendors, and you have to execute in the situation, and something can go wrong in an event management. Somebody can అది మీకు సప్లై చేయలేకపోవచ్చు, ఇంటెన్షనల్లీ అన్ఇంటెన్షనల్లీ ఆల్ ఫోన్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ కస్టమర్ ఇవన్నీ అనవసరం. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డెలివర్ బికాస్ దిస్ మూమెంట్ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ అగైన్. ఇట్స్ ఎ లైఫ్. సో హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ విత్ ద స్ట్రెస్? మీకు వస్తుందా? అసలు ఈ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏంటి? ప్రాసెస్ ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తారు? So is it everybody's cup of tea, or is there any particular skills required for this?
No, ante definitely there is a lot of different unique skills that a wedding planner should have. Not a wedding planner, any event management company, whoever is coming into event management, ఏంటంటే you should be street smart. Okay, I want to tell you here a small example. అంటే 11th hourలో క్రైసిస్ మూమెంట్లో మేనేజ్ చేసే లౌకిక వాట్ యూ సే ఇన్ తెలుగు? మన ఐ నో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఆ స్మార్ట్ స్ట్రీట్ స్మార్ట్నెస్ అప్పటికప్పుడు సపోజ్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ అ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ బిగ్ వెడ్డింగ్. నాదస్వరము వాళ్ళని తీసుకొని వచ్చాము ఫ్రమ్ తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానం. ఓ పలానా పర్టికులర్ టైం వరకు దే హ్యావ్ టు బీ దేర్. వాళ్ళ టైం అయిపోయింది. దెన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై మేనేజర్ వెంట్ టు పెళ్లి కూతురు వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారికి, సార్ వీళ్ళని పంపించేయచ్చా, ఎందుకంటే దే ట్రైన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, సో దే నీడ్ టు గో. పొద్దున పూట అయిపోయింది, అరౌండ్ 11:30కి ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ ముహూర్తం. అయిపోయింది, పంపించేసేయండి అన్నారు. సో దిస్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ హెచ్ఐసిసి వెన్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెడ్డింగ్. నాదస్వరం వాళ్ళని ఎక్కిచ్చేసాము. వాళ్ళు దే వర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్యాచ్ అప్ ద ట్రైన్. సో ఈ అంతా అయిపోయి అరౌండ్ 2:30కి మధ్యాహ్నం వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారు వచ్చి, శ్రవణ్ నాదస్వరం వాళ్ళని పిలిపిస్తే మనము గేట్ బయట వెళ్తుంటాం కదా, కార్ ఎక్కేటప్పుడు కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టేయగలుగుతాం, ఆచారం అది. నాదస్వరం పీపుల్ ఇమీడియట్గా ఇట్ కేమ్ టు అవర్ నోటీస్. ఐ మై సెల్ఫ్ వెంట్ ఇన్ ద కార్. మన హైటెక్స్ హెచ్ఐసిసి నుంచి దగ్గర నియర్ బై టెంపుల్. వి వెంట్ టు ద టెంపుల్లో అయితే మీకు టక్కున టెంపుల్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూడండి, టెంపుల్ మీరు వెళ్తే పక్కన నాదస్వరం అని చిన్న కార్డు ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళ అక్కడ అవైలబుల్. వాళ్ళ నలుగురిని ఎక్కించుకొని కార్లో టక్కు మనం ఒక 15-20 నిమిషాల్లో నేను హెచ్ఐసిసి తీసుకురాగలను. సో యూ నో ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మీరు 20 times ప్లానింగ్ చేసి ఉంటాం మనం. వీ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ ప్లాన్డ్ ఇట్. బట్ 11th hour క్రైసిస్ అలర్ట్ మూమెంట్లో ఎలా చేయాలి, స్మార్టర్ వే ఆఫ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ ఇట్, యునో. సో వెన్ వీ డిడ్ ఇట్, మా ఎంటైర్ ఈవెంట్ అంతా ఒక ఎత్తు అయితే, ఆఫ్టర్ వెన్ ద క్లయింట్ వాస్ గివింగ్ అస్ ద మనీ, హీ వాస్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. బా ఏమన్నా చేశారా మీరు, తక్కునప్పుడు పాపం పంపించేమన్నా, మీ మేడం నన్ను ఇంకా ఏం లేదు చంపేసి ఉండేది, మీరు కనుక ఆ టైంలో అది తెచ్చుండకపోతే. యునో దట్ స్మాల్ థింగ్. ఆ రోజు ఆయన క్లయింట్ నాకు చెప్పాడు, సార్ మీరు పంపించేమన్నారు, నేను పంపించేసాను అని కనుక చెప్పుంటే మాకేం అయి ఉండేది కాదు. బట్ యునో దట్ లిటిల్ push up that effort, that 11th hour alertness will give you a lot of this. ఇట్లా చాలా ఉంటాయండి, కొన్ని వందల ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి, యూనో.
సో శ్రవణ్ గారు, సో చాలా మంది ఆడియన్స్ తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళకి ఇది చాలా అవసరం దట్, కానీ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఆర్ డిమాండింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో. whenever required, you also tell some things in English so that
is it okay? Sure.
Yeah, because there is a mehendi designer Yogita Agarwal and there is a Manoj Chavan. They are all requesting in English, so but not fully in English, because
Yes.
our Telugu audience will be disappointed. There are
100%.
about 13,000
100%.
my subscribers and many pages are watching you. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Some things which are very important, so that
we missed the track. Sorry to interrupt. ఇందాక మీరు అన్నారు కదా, డెఫినెట్లీ దేర్ షుడ్ బి అ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అప్రోచ్, సంబడి హూ వాంట్స్ టు గెట్ ఇన్ టు ఈవెంట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఓకే, యునో ఐ ఫీల్ యూ నీడ్ టు గో. దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెంట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ స్కూల్స్ విచ్ హెస్ కమ్ అప్. మన హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నాయి, యూనో, యూ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ బాంబే అండ్ ఆల్. ఐ ఫీల్ యూ షుడ్ గో డూ ద థియరిటికల్ థింగ్. వాళ్ళు అక్కడ ప్రాక్టికల్ కూడా నేర్పిస్తారు. వచ్చిన తర్వాత వెన్ యూ వర్క్ విత్ సంబడి ఎల్స్, సిన్స్ కిరణ్ హ్యాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, యూనో, వర్కింగ్ విత్ సంబడి ఎల్స్, వీ కుడ్ నో ఇట్. Then later we also had our own skills of doing it and all. But ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్ వేలో నేర్చుకొని వెళ్ళి చేస్తే యూ కెన్ ఎక్సెల్ బిగ్. ఏం తెలియకుండా వెళ్ళేసి ఎదురు దెబ్బలు తగిలేసి మనం చేయలేం కదా అని, యునో, యూ డిసప్పాయింట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్. దట్స్ నాట్ ద వే. ఐ థింక్ యూ షుడ్ అప్రోచ్ ప్రొఫెషనలీ వెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు రియలీ గెట్ ఇన్ టు event management.
Wonderful, Shravan garu. In fact, I was about to ask that, because when you started, you are the pioneer and you don't have any mentor. Mostly you have learnt on your own, like you went to the vendor and asked for a quotation, and it's all self-learning. So it took longer time for you to get, but that has given you a unique way of getting your own unique skills, because you are never copied from anybody. It's all learned. But today people have an advantage. They can work with a senior, they can work with a company and get mentored, and still they can create their own unique USP for their business.
Correct.
So I want to ask you that, you have, as an event planner, you might have done many celebrations. So how come you have chosen wedding, and how you become specialist in that wedding? Is there any particular reason, or you are passionate about it? Is it because of the big Indian fat wedding, big tickets?
Yeah, ante see, there are a lot of combinations here. Definitely మన సౌత్ ఇండియా, ఇఫ్ యూ సీ మన హైదరాబాద్లో ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూజ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ సే మనకు ఒక 10,000 మంది పెళ్ళిళ్ళు చేయాలంటే, టుడే యూ హ్యావ్, I mean, if you want to do a big wedding for 10,000, 20,000 people, you have 20, 30 options for your venues. But if you see in other states like Bangalore or Chennai or other places, you really don't have this much of options for you to do it for a bigger wedding. Mana daggara definitely our South Indians are known for spending for money. I mean, spending for weddings. Okay, and definitely our unique selling point was we are one of the very rare wedding planners who work with art directors. Like mana, if you see art director Anand Sai garu, who's the one who designed our Yadagiri Gutta prestigious Yadagiri Gutta temple. He designed it. Our recent wedding, we've done a lot of weddings with him where he was the art director for our set. We worked with Ashok garu, who is the one who was the art director for famous movies like Okkadu. If you see the Charminar set was done by that art director. And Arundhati, if you see the palace is designed by him. So these are the people who work for us whenever then we required for our sets and all. So we work with art directors. So that's our speciality for the huge weddings and all.
Wonderful, Shravan garu. So I think you have a video. So is it a time to play your video?
Please play the video now. After the video, I want to explain about it. You can play the video.
Yes. So I'm hiding you and me so that only video can be seen. Yeah.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्धिकम्.
వేణు గారు
వీడియో వస్తుందా శ్రవణ్ గారు?
The video is not playing.
వీడియో నాట్ ప్లే. ఇక్కడ ప్లే అవుతుంది, అక్కడ ప్లే అవ్వట్లేదు అక్కడ.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, so just I think somebody can answer in Facebook if the video is getting played. So somebody can message us so that we can understand whether the video is getting played.
Actually, you can put the
Now
full
we stopped it, so I just want to know whether it is getting played. So yeah, so I'm playing it again, Shravan. Just see.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा
playing with
सन्ध्या
the
प्रवर्तते.
Yeah, just check it.
Coming?
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या कर्तव्यं दैवमान्तिकम्.
It's not playing.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा.
Oh, so okay. So I think I can see that. So
I could see it in the morning when we did the trial run. I think,
actually, it's in Facebook. Let me see that whether it is coming.
I think people here are Satya Ramesh and few people have messaged.
Yeah.
Video is not playing.
Yeah, it is playing.
It's playing
Shravan.
now.
It's
Desha
playing,
Kiran.
I can see
Yeah, my
it.
brother, surprisingly, my brother messaged saying that, yeah, it's playing.
No. It's playing. It's playing. Yeah, so just
Start playing it. Yeah, I can
it's
start
playing. Seven. It's playing. I have seen it.
Oh, is okay.
Yeah.
You can hide it.
Yes.
You can hide it. Make it a bigger screen.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते. उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्धिकम्. कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते.
Yes, Ranji. So welcome back. So thank.
Venugaru, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Ranji, welcome back. Is it audible? My voice?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, wonderful. So
You can also hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a fantastic work you have done, Shravan. That video itself shows that the kind of work you have done in India and abroad. So and many people are also asking questions that since like hairstylist and mehendi designers, Yogita is there.
No.
And these are all since you have a unique way of doing business. You are an unstoppable. You are like a James Bond, I can say, because you will not stop at the difficulties. You take an opportunity in any situation, any bigger challenge for you or your brother. you will such a positive people. I have seen both of you, that how you faced your life, how you faced your business. It is not everybody may not be having the kind of entrepreneur attitude you people have. So how to thrive, not just survive in this present situation. Of course, you might have given in a number of situations and you are fed up with this COVID and other area, but definitely not just for you, Shravan, but for many people who are living on this, like photographers, like stylists and dress designers, or many people may not be having a queue, so they might not have listened to you in other webinars. So how you are thriving, and if whether people should be creative enough, because recently I have seen in a wedding, even the mask is also a designer mask,
Yeah.
matching to the saree. So I think this opens up a new business and new opportunity, but how to adapt to the situation? Can you please throw some light on this?
Okay, sir. So if you see the video which I played in, there are two weddings which I showed. Okay, I know definitely I thought you would be asking me this question. If you see the first wedding, okay, that wedding is done in Bali for 156 people. 156 people. But the other reception cocktail party for the same couple, we have done for 3,500 people in Hyderabad in Anvaya Convent. You know, I think we have to go with the change, go with the flow. So if the COVID is demanding us, the government is coming with the norms of 100, 150 people, 200 people, we need to shift our plans, shift our gear according to the situation. And you have to start planning the weddings in such way. I think if you say that the bigger weddings are not going to happen anywhere nearby soon, you should start how to do smaller weddings in most beautiful way. Say suppose the destination weddings, I don't think the destination weddings will happen so soon, but the destination weddings within the cities, okay, within India, will start growing. So we started doing a lot of our homework on working on a lot of bigger properties. You should go with the flow. I will tell you a simple example only. ఈ కోవిడ్ కి ముందు, whenever I am just telling a small example, COVID కి ముందు, when you go there, okay, when you go by a car, stop in the signal, you always will have, okay, two kind of products you will be coming into. One is the bat, okay, or a smaller toy.
Yes.
Every signal will have the same selling point. If you see the balloon with a smaller lights, you will see in every signal,
Yes.
whether Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills, or this. Now if you see in any signal, you will see somebody selling sanitizer and mask.
Wow.
You see it. You see any Jubilee check post, you see High Tech City, everybody is selling. And you see Ikat mask, they are selling Ikat mask. Whoever according to their range and all. You need to go according to the flow. However is the change, you have to pick up the opportunity from current situation. That kind of a people will only sustain in this industry. It's not like you just that you got one impact and you are going down. No, I don't think losers will only do it. So according to the situation, you have to change your gear, shift your gear. That's how, according to if you have a bumpy, roughy road, how are you going to shift your gear? The same way you have to do it in your business, because all the time the graph will not be up or neither down. So there will be definitely the oscillation. So you have to go with the flow. That's what we believe in, and that's what I suggest everybody who's in it. Don't panic. There are good days to come, and then there is a bad day, there is a good day for sure. So you have to adjust it according to it. If you see video and photography, okay, definitely there won't be much demand or anything else. But the smaller weddings, they can cover much more uniquely than the bigger weddings. You will get a lot of opportunity, intimacy to work out with the bride and groom, make a good relation with them, rather than when you're working for a 5,000 people wedding, you won't have so much of time to interact with your bride and groom so much or anything else. Now if it is a 50-100 people wedding, it's like the cream of the crowd. You're coming in, you can do a great PR.
Right.
It's like you search opportunity in that and then move on. Antegani, you just start keeping up, say that
Creeping won't work. So
Yeah.
right, Shravan garu. I think my common friend Sridhar garu of Sandarshini group came about on a Friday that with Bold Talk.
Okay.
Sridhar Rao garu of Sandarshini group.
Okay.
We used to meet quite often there.
I know, I remember.
Yes. So I know Mark చెప్పారు that in this situation 30% to 50% players will go. So that actually, if you can sustain this period and be unique and creative, and you have more business.
Done. 100 correct. True.
So that's one thing we can take it. సో సెకండ్ మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా దట్ హౌ టు మీరు ఇప్పుడు ట్రెండ్ని బట్టి ఎలా వెళ్ళాలని మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా, సో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ యు ఆర్ క్రియేటివ్ ఎనఫ్. సో అంటే నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారు చెప్పింది, మన ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ చెప్పింది కూడా మీరు పాయింట్ చెప్పారు. ఇప్పుడు మనం డెస్టినీ వెడ్డింగ్స్ వేరే దేశం వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు, మనకి ఇక్కడికే చాలా ఉన్నాయి.
Correct. Correct.
We can become a vocal to local now. So
100%. You
yes.
have to create an opportunity. You have to grab the opportunity from the situation, and you just have to create it. Such kind of a people will only sustain. That's what I say. That's the difference between a winner and I don't say a loser. Winner and the other.
Less winners are less successful people and more successful people.
That's it. Let's not.
You're right, Shravan. So in fact, resorts and other places now they are more negotiable, and meeku inta mundu kante kuda
100%.
You have a say now. Yeah, earlier they will not even, first of all, getting dead itself is meeku kali unte ekva.
I know.
But it's not like that anymore.
Sir,
So now you have a deal.
I want to name few of
Yes.
the bigger brands, ITC or anything, has come up with the plans asking for, if you want to hire a room, okay, for a business meeting for just 2 hours, you can hire it.
Wow.
You never had such kind of a thing.
Correct.
And if you see, hotels like ITC or bigger resorts started serving the food menu, home delivery. You know why? Because of the situation demands. So you need to change it accordingly. It doesn't matter whether your business is big or small. You have to go with the flow, and you have to change with according to the situation. That's what they have done it. ITC, and these are all big, sir. These are all very big.
True.
Do you think that they used to serve the food for us in the house? They used to do food delivery. They started doing it in this COVID. They don't want to sit idle because there are a lot of overheads on their head. It's fight for existence, sir. When it comes to fight for existence, I think the creativity will automatically follow in when it is.
So that's true, Shravan garu. So how do you see that now? మనకి ఇక్కడ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద వెడ్డింగ్స్ చిన్నగా అయింది, మీరు దానివల్ల రిలేషన్స్ పెరుగుతుంది, ప్లస్ మళ్ళీ ఒక బొటిక్ అంటే ఒక చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్, అంటే నిజమైన ఎవరైతే ఆత్మీయులు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళతోనే జరుగుతుంది. అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు వెడ్డింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఏ షో ఆఫ్, సో ఇట్స్ మోర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ PR event. And it's a great punishment to the bridegroom and bride.
I know, standing for hours together
For photographs and bouquets, and so it's really a punishment, because maybe their father, their parents may be big wigs in the society, so these people have to pay the price for it. But now it is all about very close people. They can do the wedding, and maybe an online one can give the blessings.
I know.
So how do you see మీరు బిజినెస్ ప్లాన్ ని, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మీరు ఇంత ముందు ఒక టర్న్ ఓవర్ ఇంత అమౌంట్ చేస్తుంటారు, సో మీకు డెఫినెట్లీ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ గ్రో అవుతా వచ్చింది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆ రకమైనటువంటి గ్రోత్ ఉంటుందా, లేదా వాల్యూమ్ పెంచాలా మీరు, లేదా మీరు చిన్న వెడ్డింగ్స్ లోనే ప్రీమియం అవుతుందా, లేదా మీరు ఇంకో డిఫరెంట్ వెర్టికల్స్ ఏమైనా స్టార్ట్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉందా? Because there may be some professions like travel and tourism. It is the worst affected, and అది రివైవ్ అవడం కూడా 3 months to 6 months పట్టొచ్చు. సో ఇంత టైం సస్టైన్ అవడం అందరూ చేయలేరు, లేదా ఎంప్లాయీస్ కానీ దట్ కంపెనీ సస్టైన్ చేయలేరు. సో దే హ్యావ్ టు బి ఇన్నోవేటివ్, దే హ్యావ్ టు బి క్రియేటివ్. సో మీరు మీ ఫీల్డ్స్ లో వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్, వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ మెథడ్స్? డెఫినెట్లీ యు ఆర్ ఎ వెరీ క్రియేటివ్ పర్సన్. సో ఈ పాటికే మీకు ఐడియేషన్ చాలా బ్రెయిన్ స్టార్మింగ్ చేస్తుంటారు. సో ఎనీ ఐడియేషన్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఏరియా?
If you're talking about my plan, definitely see, if you see previously we used to do weddings in a bigger, huge turnover and all, and definitely me and my brother have accepted the situation that it is not going to be that turnover, but we are not going to stop. We have designed a lot of weddings for lesser gatherings in an exotic way. Okay, you previously, if somebody is spending 2 crore 3 crore in 45-50 lakh, okay, how best we can do, how beautiful can we do? We have designed a lot of weddings in such a way, and keeping our professional charges at the same way, but reducing the other budget and getting good discount, good price for my client. Because basically you go as a normal customer to a hotel and ask them about a banquet or anything, what price you get, what a wedding planner gets it. is completely different, because I am like, I hire him in a 360 days, I hire him around 100 days, 120 days. So I am a bigger customer than you, because today you do your daughter wedding or a son wedding and go. Mali meer tarvata first birthday ke eppudu vastaro ledo teliyadu, already you have done the wedding or your function in that event. But we go, we sit with them, we get a great deal with that hotel, and I give all this advantage to my client, and I charge my fees. So it all depends on how are you just modifying a little bit and doing it. I know the turnover is going to definitely be a little lesser than what we used to do before, but for sure we're going to do more number of we're going to do volume based events, rather than, we used to definitely do a bigger weddings in a year, around 14 to 15 previously, or 14-15 weddings. If we do, we are done with it only, because if you see the wedding which we have done in Bali, we did 6 months planning.
Wow.
Now we do not need so much of thing. See, we did 6 months planning, because doing a wedding, taking 156 people all the way from Hyderabad to Bali, taking care of everything, it's not a joke. We did four times. We did the groundwork going to Bali. So more than the bride, groom, their family, we have visited Bali more number of times. We need to do a lot of groundwork. So it's not like that now. I think we are prepared for the change, and we are going to show our clients how best we can do, how lavish can we do in this smaller gathering. Ela cheyochu ane that we are working out with it. And in fact, a wedding which fixed up 5-6 months back, we are coming up with a wedding soon. You would be seeing it on our Instagram pages and all. In the August, we're coming up with a it's supposed to be 2,500 people wedding, which is cut short to around 125 people wedding. We are doing it in a unique way. I think that will be now in August. We're doing it. So it's like that. So that's our plan. We're going to do a lot of volume based events. So instead of sitting calm, sitting at home, you start doing work, your energy will boost, because this 70 days sitting at
Exactly.
home.
I think these weddings are more memorable than huge weddings, which is tiresome and hectic and fatigue. And I think these are more memorable and happy weddings, and you become a part of their family. Small weddings.
And I will also tell you, people, like clients or anybody who are hearing it, might think doing a 50 people, 100 people wedding is also easy. Definitely not, because there is a lot of labor crunch. The lot of vendors in Tamundu, like before, who used to have larger number of variables with them, we do not have labors, so many labors now. It's not easy that since that it is only 50 people and 100 people, the prices are going down, but the labor is very expensive now. It's very tough to find laborers to do the work. And what kind of challenges are we going through? If you see, I've read 3-4 news in the newspaper saying that the groom has been detected with corona, and the entire guest has been sent to quarantine. That's what I've seen it in the newspaper, TV. So so we have come up with a lot of ideas. And like, if you say we have a vendor contract with us, so suppose you are a light vendor with us working for my event, I am going to you are going to give me a list of all your people who are coming there for working. So you are promising me that you are going to maintain the whatever the safety norms, whatever the mask or the labor, the sanitizer. We're going to take care of all those things. Every department we have whatever the agreement between vendor agreement, this thing we started doing that for our next events. We have for all the crafts, all the departments, we're doing such kind of thing. We're trying our best to come up, because that's how Modi ji has told us, you corona, I do not know when the vaccination is going to come, but we should start living with it. We should learn how to start living with it. That's the only option what we have now. Manam intlo, if you sit at home, it is not going to work out. Maybe for a month or twice, 2 months we have sat. So after 3-4 months, how are we going to sustain? How are we going to eat food? So there is a lot.
Not only for you, Shravan Garu, because you are not an individual anymore. You are a company.
Yeah.
Maybe many vendors look up to you. So because meer business mundukelakapothe, it's not there. Many lives are going to get affected.
I know.
I think how many vendors you work with usually in an event, in a big wedding event?
If at all I'm doing a wedding for 2,000, 3,000 people, okay, there are a lot of departments like sound, lighting, my art creative department, then the tent house, then the catering department. I think around 12 months, if at all I'm doing a wedding for 2,000 people, we'll have around the skilled and unskilled labor, around 150 to 200, 300 people will be working according to the volume of the event. But the technical guys, telling all my crew who work with me are the guys who've done their MBAs and engineering. And there are also a lot of people, trust me, whenever I used to go to a mall, okay, you might have seen a lot of people giving pamphlets. They give a pamphlet and say, sir, take this pamphlet. So those guys work for 150, 200 rupees, okay. But there will be a lot of smart guys in that doing it. So I used to pick those guys, take their numbers and give them work. I get paid, we get paid 650, 700 rupees a day. And those guys are the one really put a lot of dedication, though they do not have any kind of educational background or anything else. So it depends on that individual guy capacity. Not sometimes I also say that not your academics will only do. See, personally, I did my MBA, but 10th class, I am a third grade passed guy. So people, all my friends who have done schooling with me are all still working under somebody else. I'm not blaming, I'm just telling you. It all depends on how you excel in your particular industry which you choose in. So that's what it's all about.
వండర్ఫుల్ శ్రవణ్ గారు. సో ఐ థింక్ మీరు మీ దగ్గర వర్క్ చేసి చాలా మంది ఈవెంట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒరిజినల్ గా స్టార్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? యు మెంటర్డ్ ఎనీబడి తెలియకుండా?
Sir, so see, I'll tell you what they see is they see my Instagram posts. I am a traveler. I love traveling. That's my personal and I like cars and all. So when they see that, they see, this is a cash rich industry where you can just come in and start and, they take inspiration. That's very good. But they should also know the foundation and what kind of a stress and tough. It's not easy. Event management is not easy at all. What people think, it is not at all easy. So they come, they start and they quit. There are a lot of people who quit and all. But definitely I say, there is a lot of scope. It's $1,100 billion globally. It's not a joke. It's a very big industry. And if you see event management, it's the fifth largest, most stressful industry. If you search Google, if you see it, firefighter, army man, firefighter, doctor, and then comes the event manager.
Okay.
Then comes the event manager. See, I'll tell you a small example. You are using an iPhone, right? That's the best, right? We are using the Mac. That's the best. It can hang, right? Sometimes it can hang. That's the best. That's the expensive, right? When I'm doing an event, I put up a big LED screen. Okay. LED screens are attached into small bits and pieces. Okay. Definitely, we being with, we do dry run, test run, everything. Sometimes, suddenly the middle bit, the middle one might switch off.
So
it's an electronic thing. You don't know. But at the end of the day, the kind of ones that switch on, till that is switched on, you will panic. You will piss in the pants.
Even the few seconds becomes a very big time.
I know, and your blood will rush like anything. So a lot of people,
and you cannot shout. The more you shout, the longer.
So you need to have a backup plan. See, in the same way, you cannot have backup plan for everything. But still, if you see, I will tell another example. When we are working for a bigger wedding, okay. So let me just, because a lot of event managers might be seeing, we also hire generator. So when you see, we also hire generate power for our lighting to go on and on. So what Kiran and we do it. Kiran distributes the power into different segments. Say suppose if I'm using a 62 kV generator for lighting, he uses that particular generator priority wise. Mandap is very important for us. Come what may, the lighting should everywhere the lighting should not go on. That is number one. But if something goes wrong, that is the area where it should not switch off. So there will be a backup generator just beside that 62 kV, which is powered to the mandap lighting. If at all something happens, immediately within a minute, we can switch in, we can connect it and make the correction, because we face a lot of issues with some kind of this thing which happens in the event. So every time we do an event, we sit, we try to see what has happened and how to solve it and all. And then, but we have done so many meetings like that. Every time in an event, new thing will come up, sir.
Wonderful, Garu. There is so many people are thanking you, Mr. Prabha Chaudhary. TCEI and TEMA is really proud of our TEMA president presenting this live talk. And also Naresh Madgonkar beautifully explained the whole issue.
Thank you so much.
That Santosh Kumar says inspiring success story of Akarshana. So
Thank you so much.
good to see a lot of messages. Your fans are friends and well-wishers are watching your program, Shravan Garu, in the live at Facebook. So very happy to see a lot of people who love you and admire you. So I just want to ask you that in every business, every entrepreneur will play 3 roles, according to me. That is entrepreneur, leader, and manager.
Okay.
As an entrepreneur, you have to see that your business is growing and you get the order for a right price.
Correct.
Because at the end of the day, all the work, all the months of work, maybe 6 months you said at Bali event. So months of hard work and also that expenses, unseen expenses, miscellaneous expenses, and your living, and you have to make some profit. Otherwise, you won't get kicked because it should be worth for the hard work you do. So there has to be an entrepreneur who thinks for the business growth, and there is a leader who inspires people in the team because it's a high energy work. It's not an ordinary energy.
Correct.
Good people will not are not enough in your field. There has to be great energy. There has to be an unconditional surrenderness. It's not that 9 to 5 job.
Correct.
When they work hard. When they party, you party hard.
Correct.
That has to be that kind of jugaad people you need.
I know.
So, and again, choosing people is also one thing, and also having bond with you. I think people may treat you like a family, a brother, rather than a boss.
Correct. True, sir.
So that is a leader's work, and then manager, that you have to checklist and other things.
I know.
The process, the communication, and everything. How do you manage, and what is your strength, and do you delegate the work? Or do you have any value system in your company where suppose you have to create a wow every time? Because what was the wow for last wedding may not create wow for the next wedding.
Correct.
You have to create a new theme. So how do you create this wow? What is the key factor? Is it your own creative skills, or choosing the right vendors, or it is a collective teamwork or oneness? What is the secret of your creating wow every time to your customers?
Definitely, event management is never a one-man show. It is never a one-man show. It is collectiveness of all individual people who has done excelled super good in their individual department. If you if you see a lot of our work, maybe you heard about I want to name Dinaz. Okay, Dinaz is also one of the biggest. We being a South Indian, we should feel proud. She's the one who's been part of Ambani's decor, or lot of big people's decor and all. We have a strategic tie-up. Sometimes we work for her and she works for us. So sometimes an art director comes into a picture. Okay, we always choose our vendors. Whoever we choose it, we do a lot of filtering. We do get into minute detailing. So it's not about the vendor, what inventory he has. I should also like him personally. I always believe in an individual who has a taste, who has a particular taste, can always deliver the best job. If you see me, if I'm sitting in front of the computer, if it is not symmetric, I go mad. I want the symmetric to be perfect. So few individuals will have few, that we really need. Me and Kiran personally go to the vendor. Okay, now I am telling you, this is all everybody is seeing it.
Yes.
We are one of the only minimum event managers who deliver the money to the vendor's house. Whoever is working, whether it is big or not. Usually people will have a myth that this event managers won't pay, they are not good payers or anything else. Not even a single person in the entire industry who can say that our company hasn't paid their check, whatever accepted. It goes to, when you do that, when I do that, my vendor will do anything for me, and my strength is my vendor.
Great.
If I kill his this morale, whatever, okay, if I don't pay him once and gets in that, he will never help me.
Great.
So when I am giving such kind of a trust and all, he will give 200% to me. And an example, the managers who's working with us, it's been 11 years that we started a company, and it's been 10 years that those managers are working with us. It's as simple as that. So these guys are working with us since last 10 years. So we take care of them and they take care of us. It's give and take.
Wonderful, Shravan. So what I see is that it is actually taking business is simply creating a concept and communicating to the customer that you do these things well and delivering it well. And delivering it, you need a right vendor.
I know.
Wonderful. And to have the relation with the vendor, the credibility matters.
Sir, vendor credibility matters. With your client, if you say with your client, so we have done wedding for Poti Silks. You heard about Poti Silk? Chennai.
Yes.
Chennai Potirajan Garu has 3 daughters. Okay, over a period of 5 years, we have done all his 3 daughters' wedding. So though it's a same event manager, okay, we have done
He
variety of.
expanded beyond Telangana long ago.
No, we do. Yeah, long ago, and we do. It's. I'm telling about this wedding. I'm talking about the last wedding, the younger daughter wedding. We've done 3 years back. That means I'm telling you this is association with last 7 years with Poti Silks. So it's like the same with lot of clients. We are repeat once we are a wedding planner in their house introduced. We are a family member to that particular client. That's how we deal with, because wedding is an emotional business. So though you are an MP, though you are a president, if at all there is a wedding of your daughter, you are the one who's going to talk to the event manager. Your manager won't talk to it. So when I am directly interacting it to my client, so this is a very good opportunity for you to build trust with your client, build trust with your vendor, and deliver what you talk, deliver what you say. Then you are 100% successful. That's what
More than the money and Shravan
That's
garu,
very important.
and lot of people and their like relations and that is a great asset that having so many friends and so many well wishers and so much of influential people that who know you one to one. So that's a great thing.
Yeah.
So I think do you get business by promotion, Insta, or reference? Which was the most
Sir,
Shravan garu, out of all?
since day one, this is the real truth what I'm telling. We have never ever spent a single rupee on publicity. Okay, this wedding business comes through reference. It's a referral business. Okay, once I do a wedding in your family, so once I start interacting with your bride, okay, bride will have, groom will have same age group friends. You know, when I start doing good to her wedding, definitely she's the one who will refer tomorrow. Shravan was there now, who's doing your wedding. Can you please give your contact number? That's how they take it. Point one. Definitely Instagram works. Instagram does miracles. So we get a lot of leads from Instagram and all. So see, sir, if you see us 11 years back, I used to meet you on a scooter, me and my brother at the studio. We're sitting. We used to,
Yes.
we used to have our idli and rava dosa in Sudarshanan.
Yes,
We have done weddings across the globe. We have worked in Dubai. We have worked in Mauritius. We have worked in Bali. We have worked in Thailand. We have worked in Sri Lanka. So it's like we started moving in. It's not just doing. Once you know the pulse of that particular business, you can do it anywhere else, sir. So that's what we started moving outside across the globe, and we really feel very happy that we have got it's very important that your time and everything should come up. I feel that's what we believe in. Hard work always pays off. It might take some
wonderful, Shravan garu. So almost it's 58 minutes, and so would like to ask you that do you compromise on excellence for the little more price, or you will always go for excellence? Because one thing you beautifully said, it cost customer less because you give business 365 days. So you get the excellence to the customer at the cheaper price than he directly goes to the vendor. Isn't it? And you so hiring you, I mean giving a contract to your company. In fact, in overall, really not only cheaper in the money you save because of the negotiations you already done, and also saves a lot of time and energy because they can't find a right vendor.
Correct.
Because they don't do wedding every day.
Correct. I know.
So, and hiring you is an expensive affair, or in fact, it is the most wise thing to choose
Sir,
a right plan.
people who think their time is money. Okay, for them we are like the best people. You know, they do not need to scratch their head, go stress. Sir, I feel always weddings are two kind of weddings usually which happen. That's how when I started knowing. One is a pain relief, and one is a pleasure.
Okay.
Usually, the weddings what we usually do in Segna, it's all pleasure. So when you see, if you see a middle class guy who's doing his daughter's or a sister's wedding, wants to do beyond, they lend money and do the wedding. Okay, then imagine about a guy who's already super rich and he wants to spend. Okay, you only show him the best way to spend and deliver what they want. They don't mind paying you. That's what I believe in, sir. They don't mind paying you when you do the best job. And in the same way, if you start overcharging, if you start, I always believe in eat the egg, not the hen. You can do more omelets, rather than having one day chicken. So I'm happy with the egg. That's when you have a repeated client. You are part of their family. So that's how no need to market it anywhere else, pay, do hoardings or anything else. The word of mouth will pay off. That's what we believe in.
Wonderful. So never take the customer for granted. Yes.
Correct, true, that 100%.
Thanks a lot, Shravan. So it is a wonderful conversation, not just for me, for many people who are watching, not only in the business, how to be proactive, how to be creative, how to be adaptive, and you have shared your practical wisdom. And I can see your positive energy and creative energy, and also how beneficial for the customer, because you are negotiating behalf of them.
Correct.
You are well wisher of them, and of course you do charge professional fees. And in fact, I always say the one word in my as a business coach and mentor, that excellence is always cheap and cheap is always expensive in the long run, isn't it?
100.
So that Akarshna and Shravan is not expensive because they are excellent. Not hiring you is expensive. So thank you so much for being a bold talk guest, Shravan. You added great value to the people who are watching. So any quotations, any questions? I just want to see, but people are appreciating you. Excellent motivational words and sharing excellent information. We are honored to be associated with you. Always keep rocking. Balaram says. So Naresh Garu says very nice. I think they all have a praise for you because you are a open heart, because it's not just you are surviving, Shravan Garu, because you excel, you thrive. Many people survive on you because they may not get the big wedding contract on their own. That may not be their capacity, but
Correct.
they can serve a special craft or a skill, and you can provide that opportunity for them. So I wish you grow more and more. And also your father thanking me, and I also thank him mentoring and raising such a wonderful children. And it's a wonderful family and closely knitted family I have ever seen. And your daughter-in-laws are like a daughters to your father, and your sister is wonderful, and everybody is awesome in your family. I think it runs in your blood, that hospitality and that passion to serve. So I wish you more success so that more people will learn from you, inspire from you, and become entrepreneurs working with you. Thank you so much, and good night.
Thank
And
you so much, sir. Thank you,
so
Venugopalan.
nice, so
Thank
nice,
you.
actually. And good night.
Yeah.
Bye.